welcome to Saucy Cat. My name's Zoe, and every holiday season we get bombarded with those yummy seasonal spices. They always remind me of my mom's holiday cookies she used to make for me as a kid, and with just a little adaptation, I am ready to show you my mom's now vegan ginger crinkle cookies. Let's get into it. First, let's grab a bowl and add flour, baking soda, ginger, cinnamon, cloves, and salt. Give it a whisk so it's all evenly distributed, then set aside. Now grab a second bowl and add some softened vegan butter, brown sugar, molasses, and vanilla extract. Using an electric mixer, blend until fully smooth. Next, add the dry ingredients into the bowl and mix. Start mixing by hand before switching to the electric mixer, making sure you get the sides and bottom fully mixed in. The dough will be very crumbly, but with encouragement, it'll stick together, which is what we'll do now. Grab a lined cookie sheet and start rolling chunks of dough into 2-inch balls. Press each ball down gently as you line them up. Now into a 350-degree oven they go for 10 minutes. They will be really soft when they come out, but do not be tempted to bake them more. As they cool, they will stiffen up, and then we can plate this dish. Just like Mom used to make. Well, close. I love these cookies. They're really soft and chewy, and then they have wonderful Christmas flavor with that ginger, cinnamon, and cloves. Well, that does it for today. Let me know what your favorite cookies are down in the comments. Like and subscribe so you don't miss any future dishes. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time on Saucy Cat.
Ginger, come on! Ginger, let's go! Come on! Okay, well, I guess that's all the ginger.